I have cancer at the moment and I'm undergoing chemotherapy. So I'm supposed to live in a germ-free environment, which is very difficult to maintain when we can't have clean water.
We've had a complete water outage since last Wednesday evening, Thursday morning. We were told that we would have access to water between the hours of 6 a.m. and 10 a.m, but we don't. We've spoken to Irish Water, who said the issue is because we live on a hill, which is it's absolutely ludicrous in this day and age that we don't get water because we live on a hill. Initially we just had the one blue tanker just in behind there, and it kept running out and running dry, so we got on to Irish Water and we were given additional tankers, but we were already 5 days without water before that happened. People are very angry at this stage. This isn't the first outage we've experienced. There is a significant ongoing issue with water in the area, particularly in Barnagear Cove, Hamilton Hill and Kelly's Bay. The problem is there just doesn't seem to be enough water for the developments that have been granted planning permission for here. For example, back in March we lost water for 5 days, and before that we lost water over Christmas, so it seems to be every couple of months we lose water. So that's why I think people are just at the end of their tether at this stage. It's absolutely unacceptable that we can't be given a basic human right to access to water.
I have cancer at the moment and I'm undergoing chemotherapy. So I'm supposed to live in a germ-free environment, which is very difficult to maintain when we can't have clean water to have regular showers and so on. So it has been very difficult. And there are people here with very young children coming home from maternity hospitals to that environment where there's no water, and it's just very, very difficult. There's a fundamental issue here, I feel. I don't know why all the houses got planning permission in this area if there isn't the capacity to supply them with water. It's just a basic human right, and I think that needs to be investigated, and I think the politicians need to answer those questions.
In my opinion, there needs to be two solutions. One's a long-term solution, the obvious one, which is either make the reservoir bigger or increase the engineering and pumping in the area or find a new source of water. And I have an email to that effect from Irish Water last Wednesday. They're looking at a source of new water. I don't know if there's one available. After that, they're talking about extra pumps to get the pressure up, external pumps, that's new. People have pumps in their houses. The pumps are burning out because there's no water, which is crazy. I've been getting complaints for 6 months and people have been very quiet because I'm very reserved. Because naturally they've only bought new homes and they don't want to devalue their homes. They don't want to shout about it. They're all gone past all of that now. They're really annoyed, really frustrated, and I'm getting frustrated with them. So we need it. I'm a positive person. I want to fix. I want to know what the problem is. Let's fix it. People are coming home from work, two-income families working really hard to pay for their mortgage that they saved up for large houses and small houses, and they don't know if they can have a shower at the weekend, even if the rain is raining. It's crazy.